Hello, Unreal Engine 5.8 preview just dropped today, and it has a bunch of cool features that will be coming to the upcoming version of Unreal Engine. Let's get into it. Unreal Engine 5.8 introduces a new editor gizmo system designed to deliver a more consistent and flexible interaction experience across the editor. The redesigned gizmos also include a range of visual and usability improvements inspired by workflows familiar to artists and level designers from tools like Maya and Blender. With improved hit targets, clear visual feedback, customizable interaction presets, and enhanced precision controls, the new system provides a faster and more predictable workflow for manipulating actors and assets. In Unreal Engine 5.8, there's going to be a new feature called Mesh Terrain. This is going to be experimental though. It's a next generation mesh-based terrain solution to support large worlds with 3D modeling, layering, virtual texture, generic editor tools, variable tessellation, and nanite. This aims at replacing and removing typical constraints of current height field only landscape solution in Unreal Engine. And quick plug, if you are just getting started with Unreal Engine, I'm an authorized Unreal Engine instructor and I've made a complete free Unreal Engine beginners course which will teach you all of the basics of Unreal Engine in case you're just getting started. There's a link in the description of the video if you want to check that out. Megalights will be production ready in Unreal Engine version 5.8, greatly reducing noise in order to maximize visual fidelity, whilst also improving performance to achieve 60 frames per second. New tooling has also been introduced to help debug and optimize your scenes. In Unreal Engine 5.8, there's going to be this MetaHuman crowd simulation tool. This will allow you to assemble optimized instances of MetaHuman characters to create crowds compatible with mass, scaling from tens to thousands of characters. The new experimental MetaHuman crowd plugin provides a complete assembly pipeline with seamless transitions between high-fidelity individual actors and lower-fidelity instant skeletal meshes based on camera distance. There are actually a bunch of different features coming to Unreal Engine version 5.8. You can see all of them on the screen now. I'll leave a link to the roadmap of all the features that are going to be in it. I just wanted to cover the ones that I found most interesting. Unreal Engine 5.8 should officially release around mid-June, so in roughly a month's time from now. If you are just getting started with Unreal Engine, I'm an authorized Unreal Engine instructor. Check out my free Unreal Engine beginner course that will teach you the basics of it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe.